I done something new for this fight. I murdered a rock, injured a stone.
What's up, y'all? Yo, I'm out here. I've been out here before a few times. You might recognize this. For those that watch my stuff, this is from I forgot the name I put to it, but you can see it now. When I walk this way and I check it.
Mathematics was the key to set my whole race free. You might debate we, a refugee, no harm hurt me. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble on the low. What was me to show the free bar right? The righteous Asian, take a while, Shaitan raw light. Civilized like the Molly Burgundy. Wally rockin', seen the fifth when Ali rockin'. John Forte, you keep you locked in.
Yeah, oh my god. Flies, mosquitoes, bees. You see, last time I had last time I had the power coming out the back. Oh no, okay. And I still have this little, I'm waiting on my other one to come in, but hopefully that's not too bad. So I have the pigtail coming out the side now. And hopefully this gives you a little bit better video footage. You know, I'm just waiting on that other antenna to come in, but whatever. Alright. We see what's good. Peace, yo.
I'm the R, the A to the K-I. The most popular demanding, classic. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I
used to give a fuck, now I give a fuck less. What do I think of success? It sucks, too much stress. I guess I blew up quick, cause friends I grew up with see me as a preemie, but I'm not and my nuts big. Don't know what the fuss is, my career's illustrious. My rep is impeccable, I'm not to be fucked with shit.
So my niggas
let
in
that
the
bitch breathe.
So my niggas in the fridge.
I'm way too important to be talking about extorting. Asking me for a Porsche's like asking for a coffin. Broad daylight, I off your on switch. You're not too bright, good night, long kiss, bye bye. My reply, blah blah. Blast burner and pass burner to tie. Finish my breakfast, why? I got an appetite for destruction and you're a small fry.
This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks, a halfway crook. The most popular demanding, classic. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I am? We're scared to death, we're scared to love. This shit is halfway crooks, halfway crooks. The most popular demanding, classic. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I am?
The legacy lives, let them see what the pedigree is. Mega thesis, blessing these kids with extra features. The depths are deepest, the deepest sea is. Telepathy increases, melody can speak it. Telekinesis, ideas appear as clearest. Pictures in movie theaters, lyrics you hear it. Devastating the way your ear is. So stay tuned for sequels, part 2s and more. So soon you and your people can bum rush the store. The names have changed, the game remain the same. I want king to reign on his claim to fame. No stopping this, I'm dropping this with hip-hopping this. And when the topic gets topicless, then I'm writing the apocalypse. So all hail the honorable, microphone phenomenal, persona is invulnerable. Trust me son, I continue like a saga do, bringing you the drama to allow you that the chronicle is just gun.
This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks, a halfway crook. The most popular demanding, classic. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I am? We're scared to death, we're scared to love. This shit is halfway crooks, halfway crook. The most popular demanding, classic. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I am?
Success, McLaren, women staring. My villain appearance, sacred blood of a king in my vein ain't spilling. Ghetto Othello, sugar hero mellow, Camaro driven. I climax from paper, then ask why is life worth living? Is it the hunt for the shit that you want? To receive's great, but I lust giving. The best jewelers wanna make my things. I make Jacob shit on Lorraine just to make me a chain. Niggas mention the one love, came home to paper in hand. They gotta brag about the fed, young man. Old cribs things I sold, I drive by like monuments. Google Earth, Nas, I got flats in other continents. Worst enemies wanna be my best friends. Best friends wanna be enemies, like that's what's in. But I don't give a fuck, walk inside the lion's den. Take everybody's chips, about to cash them in.
Honey sugar, this ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. The halfway crooks. The most popular demanding. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I am? Scared to death, but scared to love. They shook me, halfway crooks. Halfway crooks. The most popular demanding. If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I am?
I forgot to check my goggles were low. I didn't bring anything else to keep it going, and so I messed up. Man, like such a bitch. Anyway, messed that up. But what I did with the Grinderino, I think helped a lot. I'm gonna go when I go back. When I get back to the house, I'll be able to check them side by side and see which is actually better. I do think that this one came out a lot better because I feel a lot more comfortable. These guys. Oh, I had my first crash into a little tree. That was cool. And man, I still gotta play with my rates. Not my rates as far. I need to mess with throttle management so I can. It's very touchy. Like if it wants to go a little more. This thing is insane. I'm just super excited, very happy that I got out here. Anyways, packing up because I'm getting out of here. Peace out, y'all. Sketchy. Miami. Grinderino. Oh, that's all it was. Sketchy old people.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
I love the young people.
If I wasn't the vibe, would I say I?
Success, McLaren, women staring. My villain appearance, sacred blood of a king in my vein ain't spilling.